All right, so this fluency is going to take you some time. So we are going to go through it and we are going to destroy it and we are going to conquer it. So we have to choose the correct inequality symbol from the box to complete each given statement. So we have to place these inequalities based off of the answers that we get for these problems. So let's begin. 6.7 times 0.25. So it's multiplication, so we start off by writing the problem out without decimal points. Let's move it over a little bit. 5 times 7, 35. Bring up the 3. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 3 is 33. We're done with this 5. Oops, let me bring these forward for you guys. So the 5 is done. So now we have to put a 0 below. So we can begin to multiply with the 2. 2 times 7 is 14. That 3 is gone because we already used it. And we have now 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So I put a 3 and a 1. And now I will begin to add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then the 1. We have to swoop the decimal point. So I have a 5, a 2, and a 7 behind the decimal point. That means I've held up 3 fingers. So I have to swoop through 3 times. Swoop once, swoop twice, swoop 3 times. So my answer for our A, answer I get is 1.675. So now I have to add 96.18 and 209.211. So when I add, I make sure I line up my digits and decimal points. So I have 96.18 plus, and then the 2, I'm going to have to move that plus sign over. Because remember, we want to make sure we line up our decimal points and the digits. If we don't line up the digits, then we're not going to get the problem correct. So with 9, my decimal point, 2, 1, and I'll get you guys more ones. 1. Begin to add. I'm going to need the bigger line for this one. Drop my decimal point straight on down. 1. So I have a 1. If you needed to, you could have put a 0 up there for a placeholder and done 0 plus 1, or you could have just said 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 305.91. So which one is greater and which one is less than, and which one, what do we have to do? Well, the alligator is going to eat the addition problem. All right, so what I'm going to do is each slide is going to get its own video. And the reason that I'm saying that is because this problem is going to take up some time. So I want to make sure you have enough room to do the work. So B and C are going to be on the next slide with a different video. So stay tuned where we're going to be going back and forth between slides for fluency today.